I would like to show you our Growth Ninja CRM, which is a very powerful sales and marketing tool powered by AI, and it has everything under one roof. So you don't have to manage multiple tools, trying to connect the dots from where they're messaging, what's coming, and it has a bunch of add-ons and features and integration to bring the most powerful, what I have seen in the market, CRM, which is also very cost efficient and competitive. So let me just dive in and show it to you. So this is just a demo account where you can see how it could look like. If you want plans related, just go to other videos below and you will see how it will look like, all section by section. This is just a demo, right? Once it's set up. So you can see all these details, additional details which you didn't see it before. You can see communication. This is actually AI powered response. This one, we are acting as a salon. So again, this is, you see all these communications comes in, and that's how it will look like. SMS, WhatsApp if it has. You can also send a template from here. You can have it different ways to communicate. Emails, again, all this information you can add, tags, everything from one place, and again, all these additional things. Inside the calendars, if somebody books a calendar, this is how it will look like. You can also filter by user, add, remove, so you can have a full visibility of what's going on. If I remove Sarah, a lot of them will disappear, so you can see only for Usama. So you can have a comprehensive view of what's going on. You can select by calendar, grouping. You can also check appointments in this way where you can manage them. So you can say no show, confirmed, attended, not attended. So all these options you have, and you can trigger other actions based on these responses. If I go to calendar settings, this is where I can see and manage existing data. So this is the settings. I can have assigned team, and I can customize it and give names, descriptions, pictures. I can also set up availability when I'm open. If I want to, let's say there's a trainer, I don't want to make them fully busy, or I don't want to look very free. I want to limit how many people. I can actually put percentage. I can have service intervals, service duration, minimum scheduling notice, date range, post buffer time. There's a lot of flexibility here. Also, I can set up what questions I should ask. Also, response, pre-populate, make it sticky. So basically means if somebody wants to submit the form, I don't have to ask again for the same information. This information will be saved. That's fast tracks the action you wanted them to take. Facebook Pixel ID, auto confirm new appointments, the price, if you want to accept, how much you want to charge them upfront. So that's for service business super powerful, because you don't have to take all the money upfront. The rest you can take cash. If you want to save on either taxes depending on the country, or processing fees, notification, who should receive notification, how long to give to reschedule, what message you should add in your calendar, and customization. Again, you can give different color for different service groups, and if you have rooms and equipment, you can also set up this and customize it. This is where the contacts live, and you have all these different actions to manage. You can give specific actions in bulk WhatsApp, stuff like this. You can do it, send specific notification, action name. So you can do a lot of stuff. But let's look into how it will look in this view. So this was interacted by chatbot. I can also send them next time we visit, or if they are still there, request actually cannot enable this one. So chat ended. This is customization. So let me actually look into another example where I can see page view. So this is how it will look like on a page view, where they visited, what they have done, if the form gets submitted. So everything is visible under one roof. If there is a WhatsApp, I can see WhatsApp here. So I can also verify this is, yes, it is valid apparently. So all these options are available. Let me just open one WhatsApp communication. So let's do this. So this is another example. So if somebody books an appointment, it will look like this, and you can see all these coming in a timeline, and I can also see WhatsApp communication. I can also, from one place, I can start sending them WhatsApp communications. So that's super powerful. I can either trigger manually or automate this action from automation. Speaking of automation, this is what we have right now. This is just a demo account. So we set it up these rules. So let's say appointments. We have like send reminders. So we have these kind of rules. So if I zoom out, this is how it will look like. So we can set up as complex as we can. So there's a rule trigger based on follow. So let me open another one example. So if a no-show, we mark it as no-show, we can trigger another rule, encourage them to rebook appointment. It could be useful for any business. As you can see, we are sending WhatsApp, which has been approved, the template. So we're sending this in a specific format, and we can customize either per account level. So we send personalization for account, maybe promotion, maybe specific names you want to say, or we can also personalize it based on a contact level or opportunity level. Another one I wanted to show example how complex it can get and how comprehensive it can get to run automation, and so this is what you can do, and there's sky is really the limit. You can run ChatGPT, for instance, to get some responses or clean the data or personalize it based on specific data. So let me just quickly show you what kind of triggers we have. So we can trigger based on these events, and we can go as deep as it can get. So each click will mean something more. We can personalize it and set up. Again, let me just move this one to the side. We can also say, okay, once we triggered, once it's enrolled, we can set up certain rules, how we should actually act. So there's a lot it can be done. Sending messages, even Instagram or Facebook, and personalization, WhatsApp, clean the data, calculate, skip the action. Is like there's so much. It would take a full day just to go through automation. So you have a 14-day trial. I encourage you to try, but once you start playing with it, it can help you a lot of time, but also we can help you to set it up depending on your business circumstances and operational. This is an example how sales pipeline could look like. So you can drag them from one place to another place. So that's quite comprehensive, and you can see, okay, somebody attended, you can drag it, sale, left review. So you keep everything in track with a full view of what's going on with your account. Inside invoicing and estimates, you can create new invoices. So let's load an invoice where we can set up for a specific service. This is personalized for Growth Ninja Salon, so we can add a client, we can add an item, and we need to create an item now, and we can send it to our customer. We can also set up estimates which needs an approval from a customer, and once it's approved, you can trigger invoicing. That saves a lot of time. You can also set up payment links and products, so you can also accept based on a payment link, and most people open this one on phone, and they can make a payment via Google Pay or Apple Pay. We already created and signed in with some of our accounts, so this is the section where you can create and schedule content. You just pick test content, you see the preview, how it will look like, and you can post it and schedule. So it's everything you can do from one spot That's super helpful. You can create content, ISS, and check performances, everything under one roof. In this section, you can manage your WhatsApp phone numbers, account information, but also create template and manage the health of your account. So this is some of the templates we already created, and this is what it looks like if you want to add a new template. So we can say test, we can select language, we have all these different options to add location and images, videos, and we can write content. We can personalize based on a custom contact opportunity value or account value, which is a custom value. So hello, and we add and we say, okay, now let's put first name, and we put here as an example, and that would create this is a preview for you. And again, we have a footer, which we can say Donatas from G&G. And we can add buttons as well. All these buttons can do some things like you can see here: visit website, call phone, copy promotional code, opt out, or custom thing like a quick reply. So it's can streamline your communication, and because WhatsApp requires a pre-approved template, there is no worry. You can just set up custom field like a custom message inside. You can still send it, insert this inside the specific contact, and you can, once you reply, you can communicate as normally freely, but to trigger first message, you can just send a template with custom message inside using a token. This is some of integration options. There is a Google Maps listing. There's also Facebook and Instagram, QuickBooks, and all these other accounts. So this is just a quick walkthrough what you could do, what functionality you could actually achieve using automation, setup, contact details, and all the other stuff, how you potentially could use it. I hope that was helpful. Regarding specific features tailored to the plan, what each plan has, check the video below. And if you have any questions, book a demo. We will walk you through, we will answer all your questions, and we will tell you if our CRM can actually solve your business marketing and sales needs. And thank you for watching, and we speak soon.